Welcome back to my channel. What if two ordinary state quarters hiding in your collection could tell some of the most fascinating stories in American history? Today, we're uncovering the legendary 1999 Connecticut quarter and the historic 1999 Georgia quarter, two coins that launched a collecting craze across the United States. Millions of people spent them without a second thought, but collectors continue to search for the finest examples. Stay with me until the end, because these small quarters carry big history, surprising collector interest, and details that most people completely overlook. The top 1 coin. The 1999 Connecticut State Quarter is more than just 25 cents. It represents the beginning of one of the most ambitious coin programs in American history, a program that transformed ordinary pocket change into a nationwide treasure hunt. When this quarter first appeared, millions of people saw it as just another coin. Yet collectors immediately recognized that something special was happening. The image of the famous Charter Oak on the reverse connected the coin to centuries of American history, giving it a story far larger than its size. Over time, this quarter became one of the most recognizable symbols of the state quarters era and continues to attract attention from collectors around the world. The year 1999 marked a turning point in modern coin collecting. For decades, most circulating quarters looked nearly identical, and many people paid little attention to them. Then suddenly, the United States introduced a new series celebrating individual states. Connecticut was among the first to appear, instantly capturing the imagination of the public. Families searched through their change, children started coin collections, and collectors examined every detail with excitement. The Connecticut quarter became part of a movement that reignited interest in American coinage and inspired millions to look more closely at the coins in their pockets. What makes the Connecticut quarter especially fascinating is its connection to the legendary Charter Oak. According to history, this remarkable tree became a symbol of freedom and independence after an important colonial charter was hidden inside it to protect it from being seized. By placing this image on the quarter, the coin carried a message of courage, resilience, and determination. Every example of the 1999 Connecticut quarter became a miniature monument to that story, allowing Americans to carry a piece of history wherever they went. As with many collectible coins, condition plays an enormous role in determining desirability. Most Connecticut quarters entered circulation immediately and spent years passing from hand to hand. They collected scratches, marks, and wear from everyday use. However, a small number survived in exceptional condition. These coins retained sharp details, original luster, and the appearance they had when they first left the mint. Collectors treasure such examples because they preserve a moment in time that can never be recreated. Another source of fascination comes from the possibility of unusual production characteristics. During the minting process, subtle differences can sometimes occur, creating coins that stand apart from ordinary examples. Collectors spend countless hours studying surfaces, lettering, strike quality, and other details searching for pieces that display something unusual. The excitement of discovery is one of the reasons coin collecting remains so popular. A single unexpected detail can transform an overlooked coin into a highly sought-after collectible. The Connecticut quarter also benefits from being part of a series that introduced many new people to collecting. For countless Americans, the State Quarters program was their first experience with numismatics. They searched coin rolls, traded with friends, and built collections one quarter at a time. Because Connecticut appeared at the very beginning of the program, it occupies a special place in the memories of many collectors. Nostalgia adds an emotional element that strengthens interest and keeps demand alive year after year. As time passes, the number of exceptional examples naturally becomes smaller. Coins are lost, damaged, misplaced, or permanently stored in private collections. This gradual reduction in available high-quality specimens increases competition whenever outstanding examples appear. Collectors understand that finding a beautifully preserved Connecticut quarter becomes more challenging with each passing year, adding to the coin's appeal and long-term interest. The story of the Connecticut quarter is also a reminder that value often comes from significance rather than appearance alone. It is not made of precious metal, nor is it among the oldest American coins. Yet it holds a unique position in modern numismatic history because it represents the beginning of a collecting phenomenon that reached millions of people. Its importance comes from its story, its symbolism, and its role in reconnecting Americans with the coins they use every day. In the end, the 1999 Connecticut State Quarter is much more than a simple quarter. It is a piece of history, a symbol of independence, and a reminder that extraordinary stories can be found in ordinary places. Whether discovered in an old collection, saved from circulation, or passed down through generations, this coin continues to inspire curiosity and excitement. Its lasting appeal proves that sometimes the most memorable treasures are not the rarest or the oldest, but the ones that connect us to history in a meaningful and unforgettable way. The second coin. The 1999 Georgia State Quarter is more than a simple piece of pocket change. It is a small piece of American history that carries the spirit of one of the original states that helped shape the nation. When this quarter was released as part of the State Quarters program, millions of Americans rushed to search through their change, hoping to complete collections and discover coins they had never seen before. Among those coins, the Georgia Quarter stood proudly with its unique design, instantly becoming a favorite among collectors and history enthusiasts. What appeared ordinary to most people was actually part of a historic moment that transformed coin collecting across the United States. The Georgia Quarter celebrates a state with deep roots in American history. The year 1788 displayed on the coin marks Georgia's entry into the Union, connecting the quarter to the earliest chapters of the nation's story. The design reflects pride, tradition, and identity, giving the coin a personality that extends far beyond its face value. Every time the coin changed hands, it carried a reminder of the state's role in building the country. This historical connection continues to attract collectors who appreciate coins that tell meaningful stories. When the State Quarters program began in 1999, it created excitement unlike anything seen in modern coin collecting. Families searched through jars of change, children began their first collections, and experienced collectors eagerly examined every new release. The Georgia Quarter arrived during this wave of enthusiasm, becoming part of a nationwide treasure hunt. For many people, collecting state quarters was their introduction to numismatics, making these coins deeply connected to personal memories and experiences. The true fascination of the Georgia Quarter lies in its ability to appear ordinary while holding extraordinary significance. Millions were produced, but not all survived equally. Most entered circulation immediately, collecting scratches, wear, and damage through years of use. A small number remained untouched, protected in rolls, albums, and collections. These exceptional survivors preserve the sharp details, brilliant surfaces, and original appearance that collectors admire. Their scarcity grows with time as fewer pristine examples remain available. Condition plays a powerful role in determining collector interest. A coin with bright luster, crisp details, and minimal imperfections stands apart from the countless examples that spent years in circulation. Collectors understand that preserving a coin's original appearance is essential. The difference between an average circulated quarter and a beautifully preserved example can be dramatic, making condition one of the most important factors in long-term desirability. Beyond preservation, collectors are often fascinated by unusual characteristics that can appear during production. Minor variations, striking differences, and other distinctive traits can transform a common coin into a conversation piece. The possibility of discovering something unusual adds excitement to the hobby. Every Georgia Quarter represents an opportunity to look closer, study details, and appreciate the craftsmanship involved in its creation. As the years pass, outstanding examples become increasingly difficult to locate. Many have been lost, damaged, or absorbed into permanent collections where they may remain for generations. This gradual decline in available high-quality specimens strengthens collector interest whenever an exceptional coin appears. The challenge of finding beautiful examples keeps the search alive and encourages collectors to continue exploring old collections, coin rolls, and forgotten storage boxes. The Georgia Quarter also benefits from its place in one of the most successful coin programs in American history. The State Quarters program renewed public interest in collecting and introduced millions of people to the stories hidden within everyday coins. Because of this, the Georgia Quarter represents more than a single state. It represents a cultural phenomenon that inspired a new generation of collectors to pay attention to the coins they carried every day. In the end, the 1999 Georgia State Quarter is a reminder that remarkable stories often come in small packages. It combines history, symbolism, and collector appeal in a way that continues to resonate decades after its release. Whether discovered in circulation, preserved in a collection, or passed down through family generations, the coin remains a fascinating link to America's past. Its enduring popularity proves that true value is not measured only by denomination but by the stories, memories, and historical significance a coin carries through time.